video. Today is the day that we pick up the new wheels for the E46 M3. We're gonna be getting Kansei Wheels for the E46, and right now we're on the way to their warehouse. It's all the way down here in Orange County, so I had to drive quite a while, but we're almost there and we're about to have a new set of wheels for the E46, finally. If you guys have seen the last couple of videos, you've seen that we've been getting a lot of parts for the E46. We got seats, we got a steering wheel, we got coilovers, we're about to pick up wheels, and now the car will actually be almost done. Sam said the engine's pretty much done too. We just gotta order the turbo, the manifold, and the intercooler, I think. But very soon, guys, I think Sam wants to finish up the car by the end of October, so it should be coming up very fast. But I'm super excited to pick up these new wheels. I can't wait to put them on the car and see how they look. And I brought the E36 today, because this one has way more room in the back to hold wheels. I hope the wheels fit in here. This shit is sick, dude. Look at these. These might be my favorite style though. Like down on the E92, that'll be sick. I'll show you guys which one we got for the E46. Look at this, guys. Behind the scenes of a wheel. Dang. This is how a wheel starts. He just took me on a big old tour of the warehouse, but that's how a wheel starts. It starts like that. It goes in all these different machines and it turns into that, turns into the other stuff, and then finally turns into this. It's crazy. There's like 4 different machines. He was telling me it's like literally like $4 million worth of machines. It's just insane that this came from that. Like, it started from that piece of metal, turned into a sick ass wheel. I think this is when they start like making the face or something like that. Let's see. I didn't put much in there, but holy crap, the whole warehouse, it's huge. It's a huge warehouse, and they said there's probably like thousands and thousands and thousands of wheels in there. I've never seen that kind of stuff. I've never seen how a wheel looks before it's made. Now is the hard part though. We're gonna try to fit everything into the E36, and I don't know how we're gonna do it. I think there's enough room. The E36 actually has a big trunk. Dang! You sure? That's awesome. Well, hopefully they fit.
Oh, it's gonna be a mission.
Hey! Oh my god. We're getting a bunch of goodies, bro.
Probably today I do have my pen.
Oh shit. Damn. Bro, these are gonna look so good.
I'm gonna swap that out real quick.
Woo!
Bam.
That's perfect. This is the rear, so it should be wider now. Oh my god. They're a lot wider. Bro, look how shiny these things are. Dude, I think they look 1,000 times better with the red cap. Look at that. Bro, I would put these on all my cars. Looks so sick. Check this out. It actually fits.
You sure?
Wow, that's crazy. It actually fit perfect, bro. I don't know how we got 4 boxes in here, but we did it. Well, now we got the new wheels. I hope you guys like how they look. I freaking love them. Like, I just told them right now that I'd low-key be down to put them on the E36 too. I think I would even put them on the E92. But let's hurry up and get to 412. Try these on so we can get an idea of how it's gonna look. It's gonna look so sick. We're here back at the shop. All the Kansei wheels are here. Kansei Wheels. Kansei. I don't know. I think it's Kansei. Just to get an idea of how it's gonna look and the angle. Holy shit. Look at the angle, guys.
So yeah, it's hitting.
I would honestly put these wheels on all my cars. I want to put it next to my E92 just so we can see how it's gonna look. Check this out. Bro, that shit will look so sick on E92. I feel like these wheels will look good on everything. I just love like the polished looking lip and the silver face. With the red cap, so sick. All right, we got the car on jack stands. So now I can actually put the 2 wheels on. Oh my god, bro, look at that. This shit is gonna look so sick. And they're pretty freaking wide. I don't know how we're gonna sit the front. You guys saw when I put Sam's wheel on, it was the exact same size. And it fits super wide. And then here's the rear. Bro, it looks so sick. I can't wait to mount some tires on this thing. Put it on the floor. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know. I think this is the perfect wheel setup for this. I want to put them on my E92 to be honest. Bruh, it's coming along. This is not my wing, by the way. For those of you wondering, this is not mine. This thing's actually for that. But it actually looks pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie. What if I did do a wing like that? You like them?
Fuck yeah, dude.
I also tried to color match everything. The red cab, red on the steering wheel. We painted the engine block red. We need more red though. I need to buy a trunk and hood still. By the way, if anybody has those parts and want to sell them, hit me up please, because I need a trunk and I need a hood for an E46 M3. Holy shit. Bruh. I don't know how we're gonna make it fit, but once we get the tires back and it's on the floor, then we can adjust like the camber and the fitment and make it fit all nice. But looking at it like this does not look like it's gonna fit. Bro, this car's gonna have so much angle.
You don't have angle.
Bro, not enough angle.
The minute you have to drive like this.
And crash? I'm gonna be better than you, Sam.
I hope so.
I will. Alright guys, I just left 412. Now we're on our way to Irwindale Speedway. I wanted to make a quick stop here before we go home because it's very close to the shop. I feel like I've been here so much this week. This is where I was last video when we went to Nissan Fest. But anyways, those wheels look so freaking good. Huge shout out to Kansei Wheels once again. I'm so excited and I can't wait to mount tires to those and put them on the car. I guess there's like a bunch of drag racing going on. Holy shit, it's so loud. Oh my god, this thing was swinging it. So I guess there's a lot of stuff going on tonight here at Irwindale. Oh my god, bro. The E92's looking clean. I'm gonna go check out this burnout stuff before we go look at the drag racing. I'll show you guys want to see this more. Oh my god, bro. That's crazy. Look how freaking fat this tire is. Bro, why is that such a big tire? That shit is clean, dude. Look at the little turbo in there. That's a big ass turbo actually. God damn. M6 competition? Oh shit. What's up, bro? Guys, look who showed up. I told him there's a donut pit and Joseph came right away. And there's Sam. There goes Sam. Oh, he's about to hit that. Why are you getting so close? Oh my god. Nah, that was tight, huh? Dang. It's nothing. Bro. There's Justin again though. Bro, look at this turbo. Dog, his turbo is glowing. Oh, I'm so sad that he hit the wall. Oh my god. Now he does not care.
your gun in the car, dude.
Bro, look at the flames, dude. It's like that Fast and the Furious scene, bro. When they pop the hood. I know, it's crazy, huh? Damn, look at this. Bro, I think it's James Dean and the other dude. James Dean and that Peter guy.
And they're right here.
Bro!
They just got here.
Oh my god, dude. Alright, that was sick. Quick little stop at Irwindale to watch some donuts. Joseph's driving his drift car on the street and I want to record it so bad. Exhaust out the hood. And his tail lights don't work, look. He's really driving on the street, that's so crazy.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26.